gonna cover evaporator coil next. A coil's a coil's a coil, right? So the coil's under the house, it grabs heat or it gets rid of heat. So it needs to be clean just like an outdoor coil.
Right. If it's got a bunch of dust or animal hair or whatever, the airflow is going to be affected flowing through that coil, just like it is on the outdoor coil.
Make sure it's clean. Fins should never be crooked or dirty or bent unless somebody's been in there and messed them up. Next thing to evaporator is make sure that drain line's flushed out.
Water's got to go somewhere off the coil.
A lot of times traps need clean outs now, don't they?
Yeah.
So we go in there, we cut out, put a little clean out trap, and you take some compressed air or water and
compressed
blow
air,
that
brush,
trap
anything to run down it through it to clean it.
If water builds up in the trap and backflows into the unit, if it's installed properly, it has float switches and all these safety devices, it's gonna cut the unit off, isn't it?
That's right. Everything now has to have some type of safety device.
So if you're getting your unit serviced and the heat and air guy's servicing it right and he blows out that trap, that's gonna save your service cost.
That's right.
I had to put my glasses on because, you know, it's just the way it is when you get old. So I got a box here that says ENTDB. Give me 30 seconds, tell me what it is.
Well, ENTDB is inner and dry bulb temperature.
Okay.
That's the temperature inside your home, the air temperature itself.
Okay.
So
that's the return air.
That's the return air.
All right, we got a return.
So we're going to take the reading in the return air,
okay,
and then we're going to take the temperature in the supply.
So we're going to do that under the house or in the attic?
In the house, under the house, in the attic.
And we're going to find the difference?
We're going to see what the difference is.
What if your air conditioning's on 70 degrees and you still feel hot and sticky?
Well, then you have what's called wet bulb reading, and that's how much moisture is in the air. Pretty much what the humidity level is in your house.
Now, why do I care if the moisture level's high in my air conditioning system? It says
Real
70
high.
degrees. I'm supposed to be comfortable, George.
You can be, but if you have high humidity in the house, then it's not going to be comfortable.
Okay, so what would you consider to be high humidity in a house in North Carolina, Raleigh?
If your humidity level is, 65, 70, 75% humidity in the house.
Have you ever been in a new house and it was 70 degrees humidity?
Yeah.
Wet bulb, dry bulb, all this stuff tells a story.
That's right.
So it can tell us that maybe it was a bad installation from the beginning. And don't think it don't happen. It does happen a lot.